Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
There's nothing quite like a warm, comforting bowl of homemade vegetable soup on a chilly day. It's surprisingly simple to prepare, offering a nourishing and truly delicious meal that's packed with wholesome goodness. Plus, it's incredibly versatile, allowing you to use whatever fresh vegetables you have on hand, making each batch uniquely yours. Let's dive in and create a wonderful, wholesome dish together, perfect for any occasion. To begin, gather a colorful array of fresh vegetables. You'll want some aromatic bases like an onion, a couple of carrots, and some celery, often called a mirepoix. Then, add some heartier vegetables, perhaps potatoes or green beans for substance. A good quality vegetable or chicken broth, a can of diced tomatoes, and basic seasonings like salt and pepper will complete your list, setting the stage for a truly wonderful soup. Once your ingredients are prepped, it's time to build flavor. Chop all your chosen vegetables into roughly bite-sized pieces. This helps them cook evenly. Next, heat a large, sturdy pot or Dutch oven over medium heat with a little olive oil. Add your chopped onions, carrots, and celery, then sauté them gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. They'll become wonderfully fragrant and slightly tender, creating a delicious base for your soup. Once your aromatics are softened, it's time to add the liquid and remaining vegetables. Pour in your vegetable or chicken broth, along with the can of diced tomatoes. Now, add any harder vegetables like potatoes or parsnips. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook, covered, for about 20 to 30 minutes, or until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. This allows all the delicious flavors to truly meld. As your soup finishes simmering, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasonings, perhaps add more salt, some freshly ground pepper, or a pinch of dried herbs like oregano. If you're adding quick-cooking greens like spinach, stir them in right before serving, letting them wilt for just a minute. Ladle your delicious, homemade vegetable soup into bowls. Serve it hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or a side of warm, crusty bread. Enjoy your comforting, wholesome meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.